The man knock your door. Geesey, what wrong with you? Oh, years now, me not see you. You come here, I go get you. What wrong with you? Geesey. Oh man, you good man. We are going to support. I can know the sweeps. You know the sweeps. Yeah, the man come like in the fly out and just a come back. Yeah, move so. So vlog right about now, you don't know me there, Ricky over there, so you know what I mean? And we have Oliver food. We have some food from Thanksgiving from yesterday. Ricky kept Thanksgiving yesterday, and the whole of over Ricky for Thanksgiving yesterday. And we have Oliver food over the share out, and Ricky and Chabas decide so they're gonna give it to the homeless. So I thought them I do today, but
it makes sense.
Yeah, he said I'll show them out because Ricky cooked too much food basically. A big amount of food they did it. So what we are doing now, we are warm them up. Watch out. This is one sitting on curry chicken. You know what I mean? We have a couple other food. I will just warm them up. You know what I mean? Fish in there, so we have to do that. Put file paper and something and just put them in.
On the floor.
Now Ricky fork over there. Water. Lucky thing we have only for water. Water. Everything pack up. Guess we're ready. We'll go link them and then link back with them and do it for you vlog. That's what it's called. Colored cloud. So right about now we just we do the feeding of the homeless the while. You know what I mean? Ricky over here, so traverse all the way down this, so we are about to go to the mall right now. You know what I mean? A Black Friday, I want to see if I can get a little sale
It's not the regular Black Friday, dog. I look all this stuff up.
Well, what are those supposed to pop?
Yeah.
With a Westfield Mall. And you want to go Jimmy Jazz. Music, copyright. So, this a brother here come, one pretzels. And I think about wait for them pretzels there. A sweet one them get, you know. And the extra sweet. Where? What am I do? Man, a wine. Watch out. Yo, you know them, they're too sweet. You see them? I'm finna get
Sugar wasted.
Yo!
That's what I do. Ricky that over.
Did that go viral?
Yo, you probably craft my
Spencer's?
Yeah.
Nothing in a Spencer's more than dildo.
Hello.
Hi.
Mommy.
What's going on?
I'm here.
So Candy going to party, guys. With this one, I don't get fried. So, ladies and gentlemen, right now we're here. Med's in the building right there, as you can see. And Jake's over here. My name's a party night, yeah.
Man.
Party are going. Yo,
We're now going to explain. We're now going to say nothing.
Yo, me stop. Me just tell them like why. No, me I say that. My saying that you see Chavas Savan female force now.
Oh yeah.
Me can't wear low top that. Me have to go high top. Oh, me think of Chavas Savan. Me call now.
Yeah.
It's all in a building right now. It's a Air Force night. Meds, what you bring out? Clarks.
No,
What you bring out?
Go Adidas.
Oh, Adidas. Adidas. Yo, Adidas. Me used to rock before Air Force, and I still prefer Adidas over Air Force.
I mean, if it ain't the forces, then it's these or Clarks.
Me can't wear Air Force unless I the high top. Me don't know why.
I like the high top one.
It's a party time right now.
You got the ganja.
Jakes a try. Jakes everybody wait for now.
You the ganja.
Yo, out here look so nice. Damn. Jake's books for tonight, so you know what I mean? Sai. This one you start pre-drink already. Yeah! In time there, you know? Sai!
Good night, madam. How rude of me. Good night.
So, Candy and Chavas going out. Look how they look beautiful. Oh my god! Serving, what they call it? What you that say?
Very much looks.
Yes, serving looks. Yeah, short body, no? Body of Fred.
Yo, check out.
Yo, show shoes. Yo, Charlie have on a white Air Force too, you know? Jake's have on a white Air Force
White
too.
like this.
Everybody have on a white Air Force.
White like this.
I didn't take you off.
Size 7.5. Guys. For my birthday, that's all I want.
Size 7.5 Air Force.
7.5.
See, everybody are left down alone late.
Yeah,
So, I see you guys. I see you guys.
Okay.
Don't wake me up, I wake you up in the morning.
I'm not coming home tonight.
I'll see you guys in the next one.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them. You know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.